Hi all, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Let's start rebooting work using UiPath. In today's session, we want to discuss about Cancellation Handler. So what actually is this Cancellation Handler? So how it works? So this Cancellation Handler in general consists of two particular sessions. So one is body, so another is Cancellation Handler. So this Cancellation Handler will cancel the request if the body is not completed. So let's take a quick example. So where you'll be performing a two kind of an action. So in a two different endpoints. So it can be a same actions which is pulling the data from the Excel and uploading the data into the particular two different endpoints. So this particular task can be accomplished either site A or in site B. So based upon the performance, so we are going to cancel either one of the sites. So what I was meant to say here, so we are going to perform the same action on the two sides. So if the performance of the A side is so quick, so if it is completed all the body prior to the B section, so it will be completed and no task will be cancelled on the section A. So where in the section B, so if it is not much faster than comparing to A, so the task of the particular B will be cancelled. So let me quickly jump back to the UiPath Studio and start our today's session. So it will give you more ideas about what actually I was saying about. So let me go to the UiPath Studio. So here, so this is the particular activity which we are going to use. So in this particular exercise, we are going to use parallel activity as well as the cancel scope activities. So let me drag and drop the parallel activity. So basically this parallel activity will allow you to perform the multiple actions over inside this. It need a condition over here. So basically this condition may be a true or false or boolean values over there. So let me quickly drag and drop our cancellation scope. So we need a two cancellation scope, right? Perfect. So let me take this as an Acme site. Okay. And let me take this as an UI bank. Perfect. So for an example, so you just consider these two cancel scope as a two banks, bank A and bank B. Okay. So where we are going to log in, so this bank A, Acme, as well as the bank 2, which is UI bank. So sometimes the customers will be giving a two different endpoints to you. So one is endpoint A, one is endpoint B. So where you are going to perform same operation in endpoint A and endpoint B, but the customer says so sometimes this endpoint A will be faster, sometimes this endpoint B will be faster. So even they not sure. So in which particular instance of time this A will be up and this B will be up. So we have to make our code. So if the A is fast, then it have to grab the A and perform all the operation in A. If the B is fast, then it should understand this particular B is fast and grab do all the actions in B and cancel the task of A. So likewise, it should understand so which particular request is been fast, the site A or site B. Based upon that, it should perform and cancel the rest of tasks. Let me quickly drag and drop the open browser. So drag and drop the open browser. So which will be used for this as well. And then so maximize. And then maximize. After that, so we are going to enter the username password. So type into. And then type into. So here also we need to type username passwords. And then click activity. So below that, so you can drag and drop your right line as well. Perfect. So in cancellation task also, let me drag and drop two right lines. Awesome. Okay, cool. So let me try to load all the data now. So let me type Acme site. Yeah, so this is the endpoint for Acme site. And let me pull for UI bank as well. So this will be the for UI bank. So let me try to enter the URL over here for Acme site. And then so this for UI bank. Perfect. So once you are done, so it will be maximized So don't forget to choose your browser. So in my case it's Chrome. So let me quickly check Chrome. Perfect. So after that, so we have to make a type into over here quickly. So let me click on type into. So wrong window. Control plus F2. So let me go here. Highlight. Perfect. And then try to highlight the password. Then click on sign in. Awesome. So now let me go to the UA bank site. So let me go here. So here also we are going to make a type into and then password. Perfect. And then click. So we're going to click on sign in. So awesome. So till now, so we have created all the steps. So we are going to compare. So which particular site has been logged in first. So if Acme site is logged in first, then the task of Acme site will be executed and the UI Bank site will be cancelled. So if UI Bank is logged in fast, then the Acme site task will be cancelled. So let me make a note over here. Acme site logged in successfully. Okay, so let me copy this and then make small modification over here. Instead of Acme, let me name it as UI Bank. Perfect. So we are going to enter the username passwords. So let me try to copy this and enter over here. So for time being, I just using directly hard coding the values. You can use in a different way where you can create your variables and you can do those stuffs. So let me enter the password. Perfect. So let me go to the UA bank now. So here, so this will be my username. And so my password will be perfect. And all this has been marked. So here let me make a cancellation handler note. Okay. So Acme site task cancelled. Okay, so here let me make a note of UA Bank. And then, so let me quickly check all the selectors and we can make a jump over there. Okay, so let me mark this empty fields for everything so that it will clear the cache. So whenever you're going to try to enter your username passwords, perfect. So let me quickly check my selector now. So it looks perfect. Yeah, it looks perfect. Awesome. So I hope everything looks fine. So we don't need to worry about those stuffs now. Cool. So so let me quickly summarize what actually I have done over here. Yeah. So here, so I just made a two cancellation scope. So variant. So which particular cancellation scope has been executed and which cancellation handler also has been executed. So this basically help you to understand. So if you have a scenario where you have to process in a two different browsers in the same actions, so if particular A browser has been executed so fast and then B task will be cancelled, if B browser executed so fast and then A task will be cancelled. So likewise, so we have used the Acme site to log in. So type into login. So if this Acme site has been executed before this UI bank site, then this particular UI bank cancellation handler task will be executed. So which is this right line will be executed over there. So if this UI bank body, the task if executed, then the Acme cancellation handler will be executed. It's nothing but Acme site task has been cancelled. So if this particular note will be notified if the Acme site is not able to execute faster than the UI bank. So let me quickly save this and run this now. So it will be launching our Acme site or UI Bank site. So based upon the performance, so it has launched the Acme site now. So quickly it has been launched UI Bank site as well. So let me watch it. So what was happening? So just type the username both the ends and then perfect. So just clicked on sign in. So let me go here and check which particular task has been cancelled. So here you can see UA Bank has been logged in successfully and then Acme site has been cancelled. So why? So this particular task has been processed in prior to the Acme site. So that's why Acme site has been cancelled and then UA Bank task has been executed successfully. So likewise, you can apply this cancellation scope in your project. So where you have two different endpoints or have to perform the same operation, but you're not sure about which endpoint will work faster and which particular time. So in those times, so it will be so helpful for you to execute your process and cancel rest of all the tasks. So I hope this particular video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Happy learning. Have a good day.